There's a game that's played on the streets. It's called three-card Monte. Only problem is there's a lot of cheating, and they actually use 4 cards. So let me show you what it's all about. The 8s are losers. The queen is the winner. So we've got 1 8, 2 8s, and then we've got our queen, and then we have the third 8. So we have an 8 of clubs, queen of hearts, we have another 8 and another 8. 3 8s and a queen. That gives us 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. This card on the bottom I usually keep in my sleeve. So what I'll do is put it over here. So that leaves us with an 8, a queen, and an 8. Now, you just have to follow the queen. So the queen was in the middle. We'll do this, we'll do this, we'll do this. You'll probably think the queen is this card. If you do, you lost. You might think that the queen is the next one. And if you do, you lost again. So, this is the only one that remains. And if you think that's the queen, well, you lost again because the queen is actually here. So this is the reason why all of this happens. We start off with the queen in the middle. And it's a double-sided card because on this side, it's an 8. But on the other side, it's a queen. But it's only a queen when I want it to be a queen. If it wants to be an 8, it's an 8. So, like I said, we've got your 8, we've got the queen in the center. So what I'll do is I'll just shake the card a little bit, and you'll notice the queen just moved to the bottom. So what if I shake them again? You'll notice the queen is completely gone, but it actually isn't gone because we've got 1 8, 2 8s, 3 8s, and a queen.